Welcome, everyone, to the ADP Center for Learning Technologies short series on gamification and gamified learning. Today, we'll be looking at gamification using the Canva platform. So, to start, one must either have a free or a paid version of the Canva account. It is free to K through 12 educators as long as they can verify the school district that they happen to work at. If not, there are pay out of pocket options or the free version as well. So by clicking the presentation format option, this will be where and how we initiate the gamification of a Canva slide deck. So once you click that, by searching under the templates search bar, either the word game or game followed by your subject matter, one can find pre-made templates of gamification that fit their subject. So, for example, if you're looking for English or if you're looking for environmentalism, you can type that in and find a template that fits what you are looking for. So for this, we will use one of the free templates available to us. So this would be a good example. Now, it is notable that a creator can make these gamified slide decks and formats utilizing transitions in between the slides, specified elements, and buttons as well. For this example, we will use one of these templates that I have chosen here. So any games that are created as well will be student or viewer paced and not send graded results to the owners or editors unless there is a special app integration, for which we do have a tutorial available for you to explore different apps that integrate with Canva. So as you can see, you can begin to edit the specific questions and the answer as well to the questions in these text boxes here. The elements that compose the page as well can have animations or colors added onto them or edited if it fits your message a bit better. There are specific transitions between each of the slides, so as you present it, there are in each template their own specified slides and animations. So once you choose a template and you edit the questions and answers, you can then look at presenting or making a publicly accessible link to your game. Now, there are a number of different game formats as well. This is one that is a bit more paced by question and answer. There are some that function similar to Scrabble, such as this one, and there are formats in which you can present these games to a class and then tally the answers. So it can be either student or instructor paced, and it can be recorded online or have a publicly accessible link. Depending on the subject that you're trying to gamify, the format in which you would like to use in terms of a game, if it's skill assessment, if it's less skill assessment based, there are a number of different creative expression options for you to integrate your lesson plan into these gamified formats. So once you've chosen your game format and once you've edited your questions, your answers, and you've decided to choose which game format you would like to use, you can then look at presenting your final product. So your options for presenting this gamified platform or gamified lesson plan would either be to present and record yourself, which we had covered in one of our other videos on presentations and recording presentations. You can present yourself if it would be instructor-paced and in front of the class, or you can create a publicly accessible link by clicking the More options under the Share button and click Public View Link, which would create a publicly accessible link for all people to move at a viewer pace through your gamification. So if you do have any more individualized questions or concerns or would like us to show you any more of this, please feel free to reach out to the ADP Center at adpcenter.org, which will take you to our website where you can schedule an appointment with myself or with one of our team members. Or you can email us at adpcenter@montclair.edu with any individualized or specified questions. We look forward to having you at our future workshops, and thank you for attending this one. Have a wonderful day.